I am so grateful that we went for the external shading. First of all, it's a real wow factor. You know, you've got guests here and the electric blinds come down and you're like, and everyone goes, ooh, and you're like, yeah, you know, just our external blinds, which I just think is a really lovely thing and people really notice it. But in terms of functionality, I mean, those shades provide real comfort, especially in the summer months, and you can tilt them so you can, you know, get the shading but you can still get the light through, so it's really, really practical. But most importantly, it just provides us with that extra comfort. When it comes to the ultimate convenience, I have to say we've got smart technology in our home, and that means that when the weather gets really hot or reaches a certain temperature, our blinds are linked to the thermostat, so they will automatically come up and down. And I can also control them from my mobile phone. And the front door can be opened and closed all from the touch of a button here. That's real convenience for me.